Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. And now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction, and now you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Now your Microsoft Edge is set up, and it asks you if you want to see notifications from this browser, or you can click no thanks. And now it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, or you can click no thanks. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.